This is our second drive, and we have collected over 183 kits so far for Casa de Misericordia.
I feel very blessed because it's a great honor to be able to do this and help others benefit from it when they're in great need of it.
The National Junior Honor Society here at UMS is a really prestigious organization, so there are a lot of criteria that the students must qualify for. First off, they must have a 90 or above GPA, have a 90 or more attendance percentage, and they must have no disciplinary referrals. As soon as they're inducted into the Honor Society, they must remain as an active student and participate in all activities.
To get that many kids to join one cause, imagine if we were able to get the entire city to do this, This is just a fraction of what we could do if we all got together to support one noble cause.
This is very important for our families at the shelter who get things like this just like you and I. Hygiene products are very important. Toothbrush, shampoo, all of that are essentials, basic needs that we provide to our families thanks to donations like this.
Our students donated a massive amount, which was we were able to go ahead and donate to 2 nonprofit organizations such as the Bethany House of Laredo and our Casa de Misericordia. Today we have our National Junior Honor Society girls who are making these hygiene kits to be able to donate back to the organization of Casa de Misericordia.